Giselle. If you're joining me for the first time, thanks so much for joining. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you once again for returning to this brand new video. Today's video is a little bit different, guys, from what I normally give you. Today I'm going to be doing a review on the Teri shoulder handbag from Coach, which I recently purchased after wanting it so much for the past 2 years. So I'm really excited to just go through what the handbag looks like in case you might be interested in purchasing it yourself. I'll leave where I purchased it in the description box below, and all the information on today's video will be in the description box below. So do make sure to check that out because that's where I always list everything. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy it, and let's get straight into today's video. So guys, this is the Teri 90s inspired shoulder handbag from Coach. I've had my eye on this for the past 2 years, guys. One of the reasons what drew me to the Coach brand and the handbags is how longevity and timeless they look. I really love a timeless handbag. I'm not into handbags that have got a lot of designs and just too much going on. I feel like you can never go wrong with a timeless look. It's minimum, but it's classy. And I absolutely love that about Coach. I also love that it is an affordable brand and it's an affordable designer. Because compared to your other sort of high-end luxury, you know, like handbags, this is really nice because you can afford it. You're not going to break your bank too much, but you're going to still look really good. What I also love about the handbag is that it is a shoulder handbag. I am not into those big handbags anymore. There was a time and a place where I used to be into all of that, but nowadays I just love a small handbag that you can just put in a few items and get out of the house and go, but you're still gonna look cute. And I love that the 90s inspired shoulder handbags are a thing and still a thing, because I just think they look very nice for someone that is petite like myself. So that's what drew me to buying them. I looked in the store like at other handbags that they had, but like I say, because I'm a petite individual, I just am more drawn to smaller handbags. I just don't like the big handbags, and I feel like they don't look really nice on my frame. So that's why I really was drawn to purchasing this one. And they also told me in the store that this is one of their best seller shoulder handbags, and I can see why, because it is lightweight but it is classy. I love the black and the gold detail. That is such my vibe. I am into like gold, and I'm into an all black handbag, and I feel like when you are purchasing a handbag like this, it's always good to start off with something that is black because you can wear it with pretty much everything. So that's what drew me to the to purchasing this Coach handbag. I'm just going to go through the product information. So everyone, I'm going to go straight into the product information before I start rambling on about how beautiful this shoulder handbag is. So on the website, the editor's notes have described it as our 90s inspired Teri shoulder bag. It offers a detachable strap for crossbody wear, so you can switch it up to match any look. That's one thing I absolutely love about this handbag, that you can switch it up from crossbody strap to, you know, just your shoulder strap, because you might just want to, you know, have a different look depending on what you're doing that particular day. So it's nice to have that versatility, which is super nice. I will put a video here of me unboxing it. If you want to watch the video separately from this video, I will link it at the end so you guys can watch that on its own. But I wanted to film an unboxing for you so you can see more on the handbag. And then it says inside, it has an inside pocket, so it's got 2 card slots, which is really handy because I don't know about you guys, but sometimes I'm not into wallets anymore. I just prefer carrying my card if I don't have it obviously on my Apple Watch. I like to just have a little slot to put it in, so I like that this has a little slot for you inside. And then it also has a zip top closure to keep things secure for your everyday essential item for security. And then it pretty much says, in terms of the strap, it says detachable strap with 22.75 inch drop for shoulder or crossbody wear. The features are a zip top closure, inside multifunctional pocket, two credit card slots, so really handy. And then the style number is, I'll put it all over here so you guys can see that. So it is just a black and gold handbag, which is lovely. The measurements are, length is 3 inches, the height is 9.5 inches, the width is 6.0 inches. The materials used to make the bag is refined pebble leather. Goes on to talking about the handle details. So it's a detachable handle with 8.25 inch drop, so really nice length there. And then it just goes into the strap and the features, which we've already covered. But definitely I would highly recommend for you guys to purchase it if you're thinking of purchasing this handbag, because it looks and feels like really good quality. And there's something about investing in good quality handbags, because you're going to have them for a lifetime, and that's what I'm into at the moment. Creating a capsule wardrobe that is timeless and that is classy, and this is definitely one of those pieces to add into your wardrobe. If you guys want more information about the product, do let me know and comment below, and I'll try and answer as much as I can. But I really love it, guys, and would highly recommend for you, if you're thinking about purchasing it, I would highly recommend for you to do so. It's affordable and currently it is on sale, so it's the best time to purchase this product. I think it was originally 400 something pounds, and at the moment it's down to, I think it's 205 if I'm not mistaken, but I'll list it in the description box below. I purchased my handbag from a designer outlet in Portsmouth, so definitely check it out in Bicester or any sort of designer outlet so that you can get a really good discount on it. But pretty much, guys, that is everything to do with the handbag. I will also do a video on how I style the handbag with different types of looks, just to give you a bit more inspiration in terms of how to style the handbag, in case that's useful to anyone. But thank you so much for watching the video. Thank you so much for joining me, guys. I really truly appreciate your support. Please comment, like, share the video and subscribe. If you want me to do more content like this, do let me know, and I will see you all in my next one. Thank you so much for watching. Bye, dolls.